Hello guys, welcome back to Kenso YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to make this beautiful multi-purpose hijab. It can be worn with your abaya, your jilbab gown and your bridal modest bridal wear. We made this particular one for a bridal wear and you can see how I styled it. You can wear it without putting it on the shoulder, and you can style it this way by putting the pleatings on your shoulder. I covered my face because I was not feeling too well. That was why. So you can see my bride wearing it with a bridal wear, and this is the bridal wear. You can see how beautiful it is. If you'd like to learn how to make your modest bridal wear, we have a class for this particular bridal wear you see displayed on your screen, so do ensure to send us a message to learn how to make it. And if this is your first time here, do ensure to subscribe so as to see more of our content. I'll be making use of 1 yard of this fabric. You can see the width of the fabric on fold is 18 inches. So the whole fabric on fold, I folded it by length, and this is what we have when I measured it. We have 31 inches. The fabric is very long, 31 inches. So I won't be using the whole of the 31 inches, so I decided to cut out 10 inches. You can see I measured 10 inches all through, and then I rolled it and cut it out. So I'll just be keeping that aside. If you like to make yours with pleatings on the down side of the hijab, then you use this particular one I'm cutting out to achieve your pleatings, but I wouldn't be making this one with pleatings. Do remember to give this video a like and leave a comment. So this is what I cut out. I'll be keeping it aside, and then I folded the remaining fabric as seen. So since I removed 10 inches from this, that means the whole of this fabric by its length should be 51 inches, right? So on the folded part there, I decided to use that as the upper part of the hijab. You can use any side because you definitely split it. So I measured 5 inches for the neck width, and this is what we have, and then I cut it out. My phone actually filled up, so I didn't know some parts had cut. So for the front piece, the neck depth was 1.5 inches, while on this side right here, this is what I cut out here, the measurement right there is 26 inches, while the width of the hijab down there is still maintained. It is 18 inches. Please take note of this. Okay, 17 inches. It depends. The fabric, is a stretchy fabric, so you can even make yours wider than that. So I measured 8 inches from the upper part down to where the pleatings will be stopping. That is where that 0.8 inches stopped. So this fabric I cut out from the side is what I use to cut the hijab cap, and the width of the cap is 7.5 inches, while the depth is 4.5 inches. You guys should please support this channel by sending us gifts. So this is the fabric I cut out initially, which I said if you want to use it for pleatings on the down part of the hijab, you would just fold it this way. This is the first fold and this is the second fold, and you get enough fabric to make your pleatings all around, but I wouldn't be using it, so I'll just keep it. So let's get sewing. So to sew this hijab, the first thing we did was to place the right side of the front piece over the right side of the back piece, which means the sewing will be on the wrong side, right? And we'll join the sides. So I first notched the center back of the back piece. If you are familiar with Egyptian kemal cutting, this is exactly how we cut Egyptian kemal. So, and if this is the first time you are seeing Kinso tutorials, we have several tutorials for your modest waist, so do ensure to check our channel to learn how to make your variety of modest ways, and tell your friends and loved ones about Kinso YouTube channel. So I'll be making the stitch all the way down. If you'd like to learn more from us, do send us a message on WhatsApp or click the link in the description box to see the available online courses we have. We also have physical classes for those who are based in Kaduna State, Nigeria. You can send us a DM to know our physical location. And yes, we make beautiful bridal wears, so do ensure to reach out to us to make your bridal wear for you. We deliver worldwide, so location is not a barrier. I repeated the same thing for the other one as well, for the other side. You can as well use your chiffon fabric to make this hijab, but you might need to alter the measurements, which I really can't see right now. So ensure to maintain the same allowance all through. If this is your first time here, you have come to the right channel for your DIY tutorials. Do ensure to check our page to see more content that we have for you. So these are our online classes, some of our online classes available. Immediately you register, you'll be added to the class and you have access to the course materials. So whatever time you are watching this video, even after so many years, you can still have access to the courses, to our online classes. They are available. Once you make your payment, you'll be added to the class and you have access to the course materials. So we'll be looking forward to see you in class. Let's get back into sewing. Remember the point where I said the pleatings will be stopping? So this is, I got my pencil and I'll just be marking the place on the right side as seen. Ensure to use your pencil, don't use a pen, because if you use a pen, once they wash the fabric, it will stain it, and you don't want that to happen, right? So I repeated the same thing for the other side as well. So what we'll be doing right now, and you can see this is the neck circumference. It is, you can visibly differentiate between the front and the back. So the first thing I'll be doing right now is to fix the hijab cap. And remember, I notched the center back. So I turned the hijab to the wrong side while the right side is facing up on the inside, and the cap is folded right side facing out. So you place it on the notched part as seen, and you sew it from that center to the end and the center to the other end as well. And then I hem the down part, the remaining parts, which I'll be showing you right now. So this is what we have. The fabric I'm using here is jersey fabric, a jersey fabric that you can actually press. You can as well use your lycra. You can use lycra fabric as well, and you can as well use chiffon, but you might be needing to alter the measurements when using chiffon. So right here I'll be pleating the sides of the hijab all the way to the point we marked, and this is what it looks like. When making these pleats, you have to be very careful so that the remaining fabric won't be folded on the down part and you would have stitched it together with the pleatings you're making. So ensure you take note of that. Do let me know in the comments if you'll be recreating this for yourself. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do ensure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. As always, the more you like our content and leave a comment, the more YouTube recommend our tutorials to people. And I believe you want others to know about this channel and you really want us to go far, so that will be really appreciated. So I'll be stopping at that point I marked. You can see I made a pleat to cover it up, to cover the mark. And this is what your pleating should look like. Ensure it is on the hem line you made so that it will be neat. So this is what we have. I'll be repeating the same thing for the other side. And this is what we have on both sides. So the next thing I did was to just weave the down part of the hijab neatly. And this is what we have. You can see how it looks, very beautiful. So like I said earlier, if you would like to learn how to make your modest bridal wear, we have an online class for that. The link to register for our class is in the description box. But if you would like to make more inquiries before you register, do send us a message on WhatsApp. See you in the next one. Bye.